Okay, here I have a Toyota 4Runner 1991 with a 3L engine, which is a 2.8 litre diesel, naturally aspirated. And what I found, we had my son's car here, and what we had was leaking fuel, and I found that it was coming from the injector pump. So I've had to remove the injector pump from the engine, and you'll see that at the bottom there are two plates, and in there they have one on this side and one on the other side down in here, okay, of the injector pump. And there's two O-rings, and I've replaced those two. I don't know if you can see it, but they're the two old ones. You can see how flat they are compared to a new one. So that's the problem with that. But to remove your injector pump, you have to take your pulley off, your sprocket off, off inside, which is inside all your cam gear. So I thought, while I'm fixing that, I might as well put a new water pump in and timing belt as well. So to get your sprocket off, you need a pulley because it's on a taper, so you need one of them to take the sprocket off so you can get your pump off. And you're going to have to remove your injector lines because the pump comes off from the back. So once you've got it out, it's pretty well straightforward, and then it's just the Allen keys to do that. And that's it. Hopefully that will help stop it. Hopefully that'll help you fix your problem.